Hi friends, welcome to Hot and Sweet. Today, I'm showing you the secret to making Methi Sabji that isn't bitter and tastes amazing with hot rotis. Ingredients are as follows. Methi, fenugreek leaves 250 g 300 g, cleaned, washed, and roughly chopped. Oil, 2 tsp garlic, 8 to 10 cloves, finely chopped or crushed. This is the star flavor. Onion, 3 medium, finely chopped. Green chilies, 2 to 3, slit or chopped. Tur dal, 1 cup, steam for 2 minutes. Now, add your chopped methi to the pan with a pinch of salt. Cover and cook on a low flame for about 3 minutes. You'll notice the leaves shrink and start releasing their own water. This is exactly what we want. Drain the excess water till dry. This is how it looks. Add oil to the pan and heat it. Then add chopped garlic. Let that garlic get golden and fragrant right there in the pan. This is what gives the sabji its amazing, lasuni flavor. Add onions. Add salt. Add green chili paste. Add dal and mix well. Add the vegetable to the pan and mix well. Close the lid and cook for 5 minutes until oil is released. This Methi Sabji is the perfect healthy addition to your lunch. If you tried this recipe, let me know in the comments how it turned out. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy, everyday Indian recipes. See you in the next one.